There is a one very fun thing that happened during oath taking, friends. I don't know if you noticed it, right? This is a scene, a screenshot I took when oath taking was happening. On the left, you see Shri Adarniya Supreme Leader Narendra Modi ji walking up to the podium to take his oath. On the right, you see the opposition standing up and waving the constitution to his face. They're like, Samvidhan, 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 Samvidhan. Rahul Gandhi and every other opposition member went up to the podium, and while they were taking the oath, they were holding up the constitution. Rahul Gandhi ended his speech with Jai Samvidhan.
I, Rahul Gandhi, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
The symbolic point that the opposition here is trying to make is that Modi ji, काफी dictator type हो गए आप. This is the book you need to obey. This is what we love. This is what we worship. This is what we respect, which is the book which is Constitution, and you should also do it. So we will wave it at your face. Every chance we get, we wave it at your face. Amit Shah went up, they were waving it at their face. When they were taking an oath, they were like waving it like while taking oath. It got to such an extent where the speaker got annoyed at one point.
Yes, Samvidhan.
संविधान की शपथ तो ले ही रहे हैं. ये संविधान की शपथ है. किस पे आपत्ति नहीं हो, सलाह मत दिया करो. चलो बैठो, चलिए.
This happened. Shit goes viral. Okay, lots of people were talking about this. Lots of people were like, guys, opposition doing the thing. Samvidhan wave kar rahe. So what you see here is basically a symbolic protest by the opposition, and it worked, right? People were talking about it, ki, oh, Samvidhan use kar rahe, etc. Now what this makes it look like is the opposition is the one that is protector of constitution, etc. And the other side, which is the BJP, they aren't. What happens next is that they need a counter. Yeah, they need to counter. Of course, ऐसे कैसे जाने देंगे? So, what happens? We go back to our Om Birla. Now look at this. Look at this, right? So this is where, as I said, he got elected, right? If you want to look at the time, this was at 11:15 hours on the 26th of June. So ye hua. Then like a bunch of members started congratulating him. That went on for a while. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and then suddenly we go all the way down. The last page at 12, so right before 1, 1300, this is exactly at 1, okay. The speaker brings in this. Declaration of emergency in the country in 1975. This was completely out of the blue, where the speaker brings in a resolution about the declaration of emergency in the country in 1975. Right after his election, this is the first thing that the speaker does. Now, this is Hindi mein likha hai, so there is a workaround. Friends, workaround, because I'm very smart, right? What you do is you go to business, you go to synopsis of debates. Synopsis of debates mein jaane ka hai. 26 June is what we are looking for. And then we look at this. This is like a summary of what happened all day, okay? In English, thankfully. Then you go down again, and this is reference by the speaker. Proclamation of emergency in the country on 25th June 1975. This house strongly condemns the decision to impose emergency in the country in 1975.
मुझे क्या वो समझ के रखा है? चुप
2024 में, the newly elected speaker of the Lok Sabha, first act that he does is he makes a reference saying House condemns emergency in 1975. You know why they do this? Because उनके पास कुछ और है नहीं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वेव कर रहे थे ना उनके चेहरे पे ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. सो नाउ दे हैड टू बेसिकली प्रूव कि ओ नो 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 यू डोंट एक्चुअली रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. व्हाई? 50 years ago Indira Gandhi did this. Condemn it now. Do it right now. If you don't do it, the speaker will do it for you. This is very unusual, right? The speaker is not the one who brings in the resolution like this, because when the speaker does it, it looks like it is the sense of the house. So,
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या.
वाह मोदी जी वाह वाह.
at the same time, we appreciate the strong power of all those who strongly resisted the emergency, waged an unprecedented struggle, and took responsibility. On the day of June 25th will always be remembered as a black chapter in India's history. On this day, emergency was imposed in the country and the constitution drafted by Babasaheb Ambedkar was severely attacked. See what I mean? See what I mean? This is their counter. This is their counter to opposition waving constitution at Modi ji's face while vote taking. For example, Modi ji, constitution, what the opposition was doing was and Modi ji was very sad, right? So they needed a counter, right? So what Modi ji thought was that what I will do is तू मेरे को बताएगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है, तू मेरे को बताएगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है, तू मेरे को बताएगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है. 50 साल पहले कंडेम करो, 50 साल पहले.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी. ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो मारो. नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है, एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है.
टाइम मशीन लाओ रे, ओम बिरला चल, कंडेम. India's democratic values were trampled and freedom of expression was stifled. During the emergency, the rights of the citizens of India were snatched and their freedom was taken away from citizens. Leaders of opposition were incarcerated and the entire country was turned into a prison. LOL! LOL! Good on you, Hemant Soren. You got bail, but our friend Arvind Kejriwal is still inside. Umar Khalid is still inside. The then dictatorial government had imposed several restrictions on the media and the independence of the judiciary was curtailed. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो तुम, ओम बिरला? The period of emergency was a period of injustice in the history of our country and it is period characterized by darkness prevailing all around. At that time, the Congress government took many decisions which served as a tool to crush the spirit of our constitution. See, these are the kind of lines they added because ये हो रहा था ना, ये हो रहा था ना, ये हो रहा था ना, इसीलिए ये लाइन ऐड करना पड़ा. We admire the unprecedented struggle and faith of people of India in constitutional institutions. It was June 26 that the country faced brutal realities of emergency. Therefore, in order to reiterate our commitment to this second freedom, one after countless sacrifices in our parliamentary system, it is necessary to make this reference today. Our young generations ought to be familiar with this dark chapter of democracy. Oh my good God. Thereafter, the house stood in silence for a short while. Okay, you saw this? You saw this? Yeah? This is the summary. Actually, what happened is this. He started, Hindi में बोलना चालू कर दिए. Vyavdhan. There were protests. Vyavdhan. Protests. Vyavdhan. More protests. Vyavdhan. More protests. They didn't let him talk. Vyavdhan. Vyavdhan. Vyavdhan, Vyavdhan, interruptions. These are interruptions. Again interruption, 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 interruption. 15 मिनट के लिए interruption, right? Then संसद थोड़ी देर के लिए खड़े हो गए, right? And then end में Vyavdhan. And then he ended it. This is what actually happened. जब वो emergency के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, he was being very dictatorial, basically. Oh, and then the funniest thing happens. Freaking funniest thing.
BJP MP staging a protest and they are talking about the emergency after Om Birla raised those remarks. In fact, he was recalling the days of the emergency, calling it a blot on democracy, which had evoked a very strong response from the opposition. They said that Tanashahi nahi chalegi.
Look at this. Some things never change. Horrors of emergency. Dictatorial mentality. Congress reality. Oh, CNN News 18 ने तो मस्त इंदिरा गांधी के साइड में look at this, they have done
Countering
this
the Congress
also
on protecting the
to help
Constitution.
us,
I'm
to
wondering,
remind
Pallavi,
us.
what are you hearing from the Congress party?
Look at this.
Were they expecting this kind of a remark from the speaker? It must have caught them unawares. What is going to be their strategy now?
Basically, what they decided was that we will protest against the emergency which happened 50 years ago. Because why not? Because why not? Who comes up with these ideas? Chat, sorry, am I the only one who thinks this is stupid? If you also think this whole strategy is stupid, please say hi. Seriously, if you think this whole thing that I just told you is extremely the brain fart of an absolute dumbass, please say hi. Yeah. I mean, guys, I don't get it. Look at this. Yeah, absolutely, chat, absolutely. This is legit best examples of wasting taxpayers' money. Absolutely. Why is the ruling party protesting at all against an emergency that happened 50 years ago? क्या करना है तुम? मतलब क्यों? कोई समझाओ मुझे क्यों? Because मोदी जी का इंसल्ट हो गया? तुम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऐसे वेव किया तो? Is Modi ji jealous that the opposition is now suddenly getting more attention? Is that his problem? And therefore these MPs are also feeling bad. And they're like, oh my god, bhajan mandali to bhajan kar raha hai, but koi dikha nahi raha hai. Who will show? Please show our bhajans. So then attention grabbing tactics. They just want to divert everyone's attention away from all these scams. Simi, that is obvious. That is very obvious. But it is a very stupid way to do it. That's my larger point. Like, I mean, sure, as a government, you will do all things to divert attention from all these infrastructure collapses, scams, train derailments. और क्या 4 bridge गिरे बिहार में? Right, chat? 4 bridges have fallen. Wait, the biggest thing that they want to distract from. Wait, this is what Ayodhya looks like right now.
The pre-monsoon rain that lashed Uttar Pradesh's Ayodhya has resulted in waterlogging incidents being reported from many areas. Residents of Jalwanpura colony near Ram Mandir complain of water entering their homes, with many locals and devotees seen wading through knee-deep water.
You leave everything else. This is what they want to distract from. This.
पड़ता है तो जल भराव हो जाता है, तमाम गेस्ट आते हैं, उनके लिए तकलीफों का सामना करना पड़ता है। काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है गेस्ट के लिए। तमाम यहाँ पब्लिक लगभग 2-2.5 हज़ार पब्लिक डेली यहाँ आती है, गेस्ट हाउस में रहती है। तमाम दिक्कतों से रहती है। बाइक नहीं जा सकती, 4 व्हीलर भी नहीं जा सकता, इतना गंदा पानी है।
A few people in the city said the hurried manner in which the construction work was carried out around the Ram Mandir was to blame.
जो कार्य योजना अयोध्या के लिए तैयार की गई है, वो कार्य योजना में कहीं न कहीं गलतियां हैं, जिसका जो है खामियाजा यहाँ के अयोध्यावासी और आम नागरिक और उसके साथ में यात्री भी भुगत रहे हैं। लेकिन कहीं न कहीं अगर देखा जाए, अगर समस्या अगर आई है, ये समस्या कहीं न कहीं जल्दबाजी में की गई निर्माण कार्य को लेकर के हो रहा है और ये लापरवाही का सबसे बड़ा कारण बन रहा है।
And this applies everywhere. Modi ji is very excited to inaugurate things, if you haven't noticed till now. Very excited to inaugurate things, and that's what he does. So, uske consequences pe kaun dekh raha hai na?
Devotees and tourists who have come for the darshan of Ram Lalla complained about the difficulties faced by them due to the waterlogging.
छोटे बच्चे बुजुर्ग किधर से निकलेंगे? कोई व्यवस्था नहीं, शहर में इतनी गंदगी है, इतनी हम पंजाब से आए, इतनी गंदगी हमने कितनी नहीं देखी।
So basically now what is happening is that devotees are coming excitedly to see Ram Lalla. And I can understand the excitement. My parents also were very excited. They also went. Like a bunch of my relatives also went because आस्था का विषय है भैया. Like they believe and they went. And the first thing that they came back for after looking at it is they were very scared of the crowds because apparently there were a lot of incidents of almost a stampeding in the initial days. The second is the city is extremely dirty. Like in the premises, it is shiny, but the moment you step out, it is extremely dirty. It is like construction happening everywhere, just horribleness. And this is what they're showing. So imagine living there. Tourists are basically coming to Ayodhya. Like these lakhs of people who are coming to Ayodhya to basically look at the Ram Mandir. They must be looking at the Ram Mandir, which will take like what? If you go to visit any big temple, how long, chat, on an average, how long do you actually see the murti? Hardly like 40 seconds, I would say. 7 seconds. 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 2 seconds. You are counting in seconds, right? So think about it, like a person like this from Punjab this fellow who was talking, fellow comes from Punjab, right? There are people who save a lot of money to take this pilgrimage, right? They come from Punjab, they see like the Ram Lalla for like a minute, let's say. But उसके बाद क्या? बाहर आके क्या दिखता है? रहना तो पड़ेगा ना, खाना तो पड़ेगा ना. Of course they'll be pissed off. Of course they'll be pissed off. So they will be like, नहीं राम लल्ला को मिल लिए, अच्छा लगा, everything great, belief satisfied. You come out and you start cursing Modi like hell. It's like, यही देखने को लाए थे इनको, ये गंदगी देखने को लाए थे. Fifth under construction bridge in Bihar collapses. Oh my God, another one?
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.